This drop is made of pure gold. While Matthew finishes assembling it, I will explain everything to you. Steps for the careful creation of this jewel in ceramic from Faenza. We carefully position the shell of the drop in our jig dedicated specifically to the assembly of this diffuser. We need to build 2 and they will go to India. This ceramic drop from Faenza with a finish. Matte gold is not a gold effect, but what you see is absolutely real gold. Now we fix the filter, crossover. For those unaware, the crossover filter is used to separate the frequencies. This is a two-way, so there will be a part of the frequencies dedicated to the woofer. That the lowest range and part of the frequency goes to the tweeter, which is the highest range. Let's carefully place the sound-absorbing material inside the cabinet. Ensure the support flanges for the speaker. Let's place our high-quality, reliable and efficient speaker, which is a two-way coaxial, woofer and tweeter in a single speaker. Through the flange we mounted earlier, the speaker is fixed to the ceramic shell. This finish requires 4 meticulously careful steps. 4 firings. So in the first one, a matte glaze is applied and subsequently the gold is given in 3 steps. Then the matte glaze is applied, it is placed in the oven and brought to 700 degrees and left. Cool down, then a first coat of gold is applied. It is put back in the mold at 700 degrees and then left. Cool down. The last step of the gold application is repeated 3 times. When it is applied, the gold in the drop also has an organic glue that helps the gold stick. And when the oven goes to 700 degrees, the glue burns so it disappears and only the pure gold remains. So what you see is solely and absolutely exclusively gold. This drop is not just made in Italy, but it is definitely made in Faenza. The drop is ready for the long journey to India. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to our Garvan Acoustic. See you soon.